Queen boss. Always good. Growing in the country where my family had many different farms. My mother raised 200 chickens at a time, and from these we got our eggs. We had pigs, goats, rabbits, and horses. Along with the livestock, we had yam, cocoa, bananas, cabbage, and tomatoes. We also had lots of coconuts from which my mother always made coconut oil to sell. Growing up and seeing my family benefit so much from farming by selling the produce and then in throwing partners to save enough for school fees and for the bus fare for those of us who went to school. I have tried to buy taxis and anything else which will help me turn over my money. Now I raise pigs that in 6 to 8 months are ready for the market. I have adopted the rule, give a man a fish and he eats today. Teach him how to fish and he eats every day. So making one of my easy recipes or using the crops and farm animals to make meals. Writing was always my pastime trade. My form is about helping others to self-start a profitable business. My children's books teach love, kindness, and sharing while being a family. Yvonne Morgan Mackenzie, Morgan, author. The daughter of the Reverend G.A. and Olga Adassa Morgan, Yvonne was born in St. Thomas, Jamaica. As a child, she attended the Elis Valley All-Age School and later Donald Quarry Secondary School. She continued her education and is now a nurse's aide. She traveled to Panama, the Cayman Islands, Haiti, Curacao, and the United States looking for a better life. She enjoys babysitting, reading, writing, cooking, and going for nature walks. Author of Coconut 100 Ways, which went viral. Since then, publishing is currently underway for Little T Goes to School from the series Tales of a Jamaican Boy. Morgan was born in the cool countryside of St. Thomas, Jamaica. It was then when country came to town, she attended Perry Adult College where she studied bookkeeping and also the English language. Morgan also went to Fitz Henley's Business College for shorthand and typing. She traveled to Panama seeking child care jobs in the Panama Army Barracks, then to the Cayman Islands where she continued in this line of work. Morgan, now a U.S. citizen, makes her home in America, makes frequent visits to the riverside of Jamaica and the beaches.